Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You can find the magnetic Morelli steering column switches used in the video by clicking on the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle ignition, set the parking brake, pull the hood release handle and open the hood. Disconnect the battery. In order to perform the change of your vehicle switches, you will need to remove the airbag module from the steering wheel and then the steering wheel itself. Insert a screwdriver into the hole behind the steering wheel spokes. And while pressing, pull on the airbag module on the screwdriver side to disengage it. Perform the same manipulation on the other side. Once the airbag module has been removed, disconnect the yellow and green connectors with a flat screwdriver. Do the same on the yellow and blue connectors. Unplug the horn. You can now remove the airbag module. Remove the yellow and black module from its slot and using the screwdriver, disconnect the grey connector. Grab all the previously disconnected connectors and secure them to the top of the steering wheel with adhesive. This will allow you to clear the access to the screw holding the steering wheel. Lock the steering wheel with a name in. Then, using a ratchet and a Torx T50 socket, remove the screw holding the steering wheel. The steering column and the steering wheel are fitted with a set of markers to allow you to position the steering wheel perfectly. Remove the adhesive and unlock the steering wheel by tapping on both sides of the wheel. Remove the steering wheel by passing the cables through the notch provided for this purpose. Using a Torx T27 screwdriver, unscrew the two screws located under the plastic cover of the steering column switches. Unclip it, remove the bottom part, then lift the top part. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove all the electrical connections from the steering column switches. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the screw from the module clamp. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, lift the retaining tabs of the module while pulling on it. Remove the module.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You can find the magnetic Morelli parts and products used in the video by clicking on the link in the description. Make sure that the connections on the new module are identical to the old ones because there are different models of steering column switches on this vehicle depending on the vehicle's features. The new module is delivered without the car radio controls. You'll have to get them from your old module. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the controls from the old module, then place them on the new one. Your new module is ready to be installed. Place the new module on the steering column, fitting it into the clips. Screw the clamp back on. Replace the bottom plastic cover, making sure it fits into the lug under the steering column and into the contact cylinder. Put back the upper part. Then screw the set back on. Replace the steering wheel by passing the cables through the notch and checking that the pins are perfectly aligned. Screw the steering wheel back on. Finish tightening using a Torx wrench. Reconnect the various connectors. Then put the airbag back on. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.